Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing the Lazy Girl method with Polygel, and I did this little pink winter design. So if you'd like to see that, stay tuned. I'm going to be using these XXL Stiletto nails from AliExpress, and then for my pinky I'm doing this silver cat eye polygel from Vrenmol, which is Saviland's sister brand, and I'm just using the Burano 3-in-1 base coat to smooth it down. Here I added some more of the silver because my nail wasn't being covered. For this next nail, I added a little bit of the clear polygel from Saviland, and I'm gonna add some Snowflake glitter that I got on Amazon. I was really struggling to get them to stay inside the nail. So if anyone has any tips on how to get larger glitter pieces to stay down in the Lazy Girl method, please let me know. Next, I'm using the Vrenmol Sparkling Platinum Polygel in the shade Glitter Pink. So this one and the silver came from the same kit. It's the pink series. I'm using the same glitter pink for the thumb. Now I'm top coating underneath the nails. Sometimes I do just wipe it with alcohol, but I feel like this prevents things from getting stuck there better than just wiping it with alcohol. Now I'm just filing my nails and fixing up the shape, and I just want to say thank you to people who are still subscribing to my channel even though I've gone completely MIA. I've been having writer's block but for nails, but I feel like I'm finally getting ideas again, and I appreciate all the people who still subscribed even though I haven't posted in a while. I got this drill bit on AliExpress, and it's helped me so much with getting like my cuticle area neater. I highly recommend, and it's AliExpress, so it wasn't very expensive. So I did my pointer finger just clear, but then I decided to change that to this pink shade from the Makartt. I think it's the seasonal Concertos kit, and it's color 1604. Then I just used this top coat for Modelones to top coat all of the nails. On this nail, I was using these Galaxy sticks from Makartt, and I forgot to put a top coat on before I tried it, so that's why there was already some on there. And it's like really pretty. I can't remember which one it was, but I'll be sure to put it in the description. Here are the finished nails. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm trying to do my upload schedule as Wednesdays and Sundays, so I'm gonna try to be more consistent. And once again, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.